Now, this question, Sajid age is y years. His brother Ali's age is 2y minus 4. So here Sajid's age is y years and Ali's age is 2y minus 4. Then if I want to write total age, then total age will be 2y minus 4 plus y, that is 3y minus 4 years. Now, according to the question, we can write the total of Shajis and Ali's age is greater than 11. So this age is greater than 11. Okay, greater than 11 and less than or equal to 23. Now, the question is form an inequality. This is an inequality and now we need to solve. So how can we solve? At first, we need to remove minus 4. So we need to add 4. So 11 plus 4, 3y minus 4 plus 4, less than or equal 23 plus 4. So 11 plus 4 will be 15. 3y less than or equal 23 plus 4 is 27. Now we need to divide by 3. So 15 by 3 less than 3y by 3 less than or equal 27 by 3. So at last we will get 15 by 3 is 5. 3y by 3 is y less than or equal 9. And this is the solution of this problem. Now the question says, hence state the greatest number that Ali's age can be. So here we can say that greatest value of y is 9. So if y represents Sajid's age, so we can say that Sajid's maximum age will be 9 years. So if we are taking y equal to 9, that means if we are taking Sajid's maximum age or greatest number of age, then we can also find out the maximum age of Ali. So we can write Ali's maximum age will be 2y minus 4. That is 2 into 9 minus 4. So 18 minus 4 will be 14. And that is the solution of this problem.